Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will do a surprise video a little ahead of the schedule on the Losi drag car that's just been announced. As you see from the pictures, this is Losi's newest announcement. It is their new drag car. The details are a little limited, but I'll tell you what I know thus far. It will have a 1969 Camaro with realistic styling, Mickey Thompson tires on 5-star wheels. The body will be available in blue and red with Summit Racing trim. Its stock features will include an all-metal gear transmission with the sealed diff and 500K oil. We'll have an adjustable wheelie bar for precision adjustments. It will have a standard battery tray. We'll have plastic shocks, though there are aluminum upgrades, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. CVA shafts, though I'm not sure if they will be metal. Adjustable turnbuckles front and rear. And a new bumper with some weight mounts for adding weight to the front end. This is kind of a cool feature we haven't seen in a drag car as of yet, at least that comes with one, I should say. So this is going to be very exciting to add weight to the front end, to try and keep that front end down. I do have a list of upgrade parts that are going to be available for this model. There will be sway bars for added stability. There will be optional spring rates to adjust your dampening. There will be Pro-Line tires as an option that you can add. Aluminum shocks, as I mentioned before. Shock limiters, these will be internal. An F100 body, though there are no pictures as of this time. Aluminum hubs front and rear, as well as aluminum spindles. The electronics that will be featured in this model will be a center-mounted Firma 100 AMP ESC, a Firma Smart motor mounted in the rear at 6500 kV, EC5 connectors, a Spectrum servo, though I can't seem to figure out which one will be in here at this time, an SLT3 transmitter, and I have my fingers crossed for an AVC receiver, but we can't seem to confirm that at this point. What you'll see next is just a series of photos that I've been able to locate thus far, so we'll let you take a look at those. Now in this last picture, I want to draw your attention to the tree that is located in between the cars. Normally I would say that's just there for decoration to give you something interesting to photograph. But if you look, you can see there's wires coming out of that drag racing tree. Now this leads me to believe that there might be an option for a drag racing tree coming out at some point in time. So hopefully we'll see that be a thing since the Traxxas ones are no longer available. As of this morning, there was an announcement made that there will be a roller available as well. So if you wanted to make the transition from an existing car into one of these Losi cars and not having to purchase the RTR model, that looks to be a good option that will be available. At the time of filming this, it looks like the MAP price on the ready-to-run model will be $399 and the price on the roller will be $219. So these are very attractive price points for such a well-featured model. Well, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at Losi's newest announcement, as well as the information that I've been able to gather for you thus far. I hope that this video has benefited you in some way, and if it has, consider giving me a thumbs up a subscription, and don't forget to hit that bell. I mention this in all of my videos. If you're not hitting that bell, you're not getting notified of the new content that's going up, so go back and do that for all of your subscriptions. Well, that'll wrap it up for this time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.